Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Django framework of Python, which is used for web development. So first of all, for this you need to download Python. Let's go to the Python's website. Alright, so if you are downloading for Windows, go to Windows. I have Windows 10 installed. So if you are installing for Windows 8 and above or Windows 7 and above, you go for this link. If it is XP or Vista, you go for this link because this is the stable version for XP and Vista. If you have Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or 10, you go for the above link. So I'll click on this. Okay, just scroll it down. You'll see the files and the versions, and just go to the Windows x86 64 web-based installer. And if you have a 64-bit machine, you may check it. If you have a 32-bit machine, then you may try the below versions. So I have a 64-bit machine. By doing this one, so I've already saved this file, so I'm not gonna download it again. I'll go to the installation part. So it is already downloaded. Now we have to install it. To install it, just you have to make sure that all these boxes are checked. Go to custom installation, and okay, these are all checked. If you install now directly, okay, I'll give you permission. Alright, so the setup was successful, and alright, so we'll close it. And now what you have to do is open the command prompt. And you check the version of Python. So type in Python version, and it tells you it is Python 3.7.2, and which we have downloaded. Also, we'll check the version of pip. So write pip version. Alright, it is 18.1. Okay, so we have checked the version of pip and Python. So open your browser and type in how to download Django. So it'll open this link and it shows you the documentation. And Django keeps on updating, so you have to go through all this documentation first. So I did this work for you, and I'll just show you what commands you have to write. So it is asking you to install Python. We already did that. It is asking you to check the version of the Python. We already did that. Now it is asking you about the pip. So we check the pip's version. It is 18.1. and you have to follow the installation guide for pip.py. Now we have to install virtual env and env wrapper. For this, I'll open Windows PowerShell, but I'll open it as an administrator because we have. Okay, so we open the Windows PowerShell and right here pip install virtual env wrapper win, this one, and enter. It is downloading files. Okay, Now similarly, you have to create a virtual environment for our project. Okay, we'll press enter and we'll write mk virtual env, that is make virtual environment for our project. So we'll write my project and enter. Okay, so alright, so installation is done. Now write the next command, which is work on my project. Now we'll install Django. Again, don't miss any steps from making the virtual environment, as if you miss any steps then Django will not perform correctly. So Django is being installed, it will take a while. Alright, so we have successfully installed the Django. The version is 2.1.7 and I think it's the stable version and also the latest version. Now, okay, so you type CLS to clear the screen, that is, you type CLS. Now you change the directory and to make a new directory, mkdir project and press enter. Alright, so a new directory is made, so we change the directory to project and now in project just open your PowerShell and type in Django admin start project my site. After you make the directory, just change the directory to project and type in Django admin start project my site and the project will be made. And now you have to be in your site directory. So, and we make a new project which will, and we write in Python manage.py and then server. Oh, I'm sorry. Python manage.py run server. Okay, so I have 15 unapplied migrations. Okay. So I made the migrations and now I will run my server again. Python manage.py run server. Okay, so it doesn't have any issues. We'll go to this link, http 8000, or can say that it is localhost 8000. Okay, so the installation has been done and our Django is working. Congratulations. In the next video I'll be showing you some work which you can do. So we'll be doing some work using Django so that you get some hands-on experience on how the things are done and you can continue with your project or your work. Thank you so much.